Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today is day 2 of our stay in Greece, and as you can see, the view is amazing. We love it. So the first impressions about Greece is I have a lot of things to say, but to start off, I would say people are a lot different here. They're very chill, they take their own time. So you're so used to go on the go kind of a you know uh, lifestyle in US, that you come here and people are so super relaxed and they take their own time. I'm like, why are people not moving fast? So that's how you feel once you're here. But otherwise, it's a very calm, relaxing kind of a vibe. So for today's itinerary, guys, we're probably gonna walk the entire year. We're gonna get ready, take a bit of rest. I mean, we woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning because of the time difference, of course. So we've been awake since 3 a.m. in the morning. So today morning we're gonna get ready and we're gonna walk the entire stretch of Ia and go to the castle, see the other side of Ia, because if you can clearly see here, uh, you know there are a lot of houses from that mountain. So from there's a lot of other houses like which we need to explore. So we need to go to the castle side, so it's a long, almost I would say like a 20-30 minute walk. So we would walk that, and then after that the weather is really beautiful today. So we might go to a museum which is which basically talks about the Greek mythology stuff. So we want to learn more about the culture, so we're gonna go there. And our baby is constipated, so we're struggling with that issue too. So I just hope she relieves. She's got the relief, and then we're able to continue the trip more peacefully. But right now, like, we are struggling with the fact that she's struggling. So with a 14-month-old baby, it's really hard, guys. But we're gonna try. We're not gonna rush it. We're gonna give it according to how she feels comfortable. So at the end of the day, what matters is her safety and her well-being and her happiness first. So that's why we didn't plan for this trip much, because we wanted to work around how she feels. So that's up for the schedule for today, and I'll keep you informed. So first we need to get ready. I was just relaxing, so I just woke up from bed, and this is how I just want to relax. So see you soon, guys. Hey guys, so we are ready. It's day 2. Like I said, in the morning we took a bit of rest. We're gonna start off the day slow because we were exhausted with the travel. So we're going on a walk tour the entire year. So we're probably gonna go close to the castle, do a castle tour, and also get the other side of the view. So right now we're all set. We're going for a walk, and after that we might go to the museum. It's around 10-15 minutes drive from here, so that's on our itinerary as well. It's super hot. I thought I'm gonna do so many hairstyles, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, but trust me, putting up your hair in a bun is so much easier, because it's like April end and still it's this hot, and I don't know how people are gonna do it in June, July, how they travel. It's next to impossible to be there. So we got some drone shots in the morning, so we are really happy about that. We might be doing more drone shots later. So that's on our itinerary right now, and see you guys soon. So yeah guys, now we are exploring Ia, but uh, it's really exhausting with a 14-month-old. So thankfully she slept, she's cooperating, so we could literally walk around in strollers. So I have a lot of things to say about Ia if you have a baby, so I'll make a separate vlog of that. But it's beautiful as hell. Thankfully our baby was so cooperative that she fell asleep, that we were able to like carry her around and like do. But otherwise it's pretty hot right now, and I don't know how people are gonna do it in June. So see you again in the next vlog where I talk about how to handle a baby and then walk around here. So guys, this is the end, almost the end. So if you can see, the blue dome is up there, and you know it's really difficult for us to walk through these narrow lanes. We can, but you know we just don't want to take the risk. So that's another blue dome. We have loads of cherry blossom here, and it's really beautiful. It's almost like sunset right now, but we're trying to see if we can get a restaurant to book. And yeah, it's really beautiful. We're really excited for our tomorrow photo shoot. So it's beautiful. But then I don't think it's like, you know, with babies and strollers, it's not advisable to like book hotels down, like so deep down. The minute the marble street ends, the cobble street is really difficult. We have to literally carry the strollers every single step, and it is so steep at some places. Like, we didn't need workout today. So say hi to Chandru. So we are excited, and it was a beautiful day. Thankfully, like, she slept through, and it was really a cakewalk because she was sleeping. It's her US sleep time, so once she wake up she'll be fresh. I don't think today we'll be able to do the museum, but we're gonna try. So see ya guys.